Let's start with the first petal. Take half of the pipe cleaner and bend it at the middle knuckle length. Leave a little bit on the top and then press back. Fold it down at the end and thread it back. Pull it tight and then bend it into shape. So a little petal is done. Brush on eyeshadow. Make a total of 8 petals. Now let's make the second layer of thin petals. Take out 1/3 of a pipe cleaner. Trim both ends a little. Use a lighter to tip the end. Fold at the middle. Fold the bottom 5 millimeters. Bend a little. Brush on eyeshadow. This is a set of thin petals. We need to do 12 sets. Now make the third layer of petal. Take out 3 pipe cleaners. Cut 2 of them in half. Get 4 short pipe cleaners. Fold the pipe cleaners in half. Wrap the short pipe cleaners around the long pipe cleaner one by one. And then make the shape. The middle part stays still. Then push both sides down. Bend down both ends of the pipe cleaner. Arrange the pipe cleaners. Tie the end. Use pliers to press firmly. The petal edges are also clamped. Bend the petals into shape. So here's the petal. Again, brush on eyeshadow. Make 3 pieces. Now for the fourth layer of petals. Take out 4 pipe cleaners. Cut 3 of them in half. In the same way, wrap the short pipe cleaners around the long pipe cleaner one by one. edge of the petal bends into a wavy shape. Tie the end. Make 3 pieces. Lastly, make the petals of the 5th layer. Take out 5 pipe cleaners. Cut 4 of them in half. Made in the same way as the petals on the previous layer. Make 3 pieces. Take 3 green pipe cleaners and fold them in half. One goes through the middle and tightens. Tighten at 5 centimeters. Take out 4 pipe cleaners. Fold the pipe cleaners in half to make big leaves. Make it the same way you made the little leaves. Wrap it with floral tape. A set of leaves requires 2 small leaves and 1 large leaf. Put the 3 leaves together. Wrap with floral tape. Make 2 sets of leaves. Now start assembling the flowers. Take out a craft flower stem stick and glue on it. Have a yellow pipe cleaner wrapped around the top. Glue and then stick the petals one by one. Then glue the thin petals on the bottom in turn. Then glue a third layer of petals evenly. Then stick the rest of the petal between the 2 petals. Take out a green pipe cleaner. Glue in a circle at the base of the flower. Add one more. Glue the end. Take out the green pipe cleaners and wrap it around the flower stem stick. Next, assemble a group of leaves 5 centimeters apart. Finally, the edges of the petals can be twisted to create shapes. A beautiful peonia is done.